Hi! We're working on parking day, so we did a little installation in this parking spot.
Parking Day in Portland is a one-day citywide event where we can rethink and re-envision how a street is used.
Using recycled materials and plants to show that we can have nature in the city.
Welcome to our interpretation of the Columbia River Gorge. These cardboard tubes were recycled partially from our office and partially from other print shops. They represent the basalt tubes to us, or the basalt columns to us that are also found in the Columbia River Gorge. We had hundreds of used CDs that we didn't have a use for anymore in our basement, so we thought we could use those to represent waterfall flowing along the path, and then we got some logs and mosses from a coworker of ours property and a whole bunch of native plants that you would also likely find in the Columbia River Gorge. I hope you enjoyed it.